Come and take a quick tour of a 2013 Tiffin Allegro Breeze 32BR with me. It's a 33 feet 2-inch foot pusher. Let's go give it a tour. Well, hello and welcome back to RV Walkthroughs. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. We're going to take a quick peek at a 2013 Tiffin Allegro Breeze 32BR. Now, it is a 33 foot 2-inch diesel pusher. Engine is in the rear. It's a Maxxforce 7 240 horse by Navistar. It is paired with the Allison transmission, has all side latching compartment doors, and these three, or I guess those two, are actually pass-through storages, which is beautiful. This coach came in 10 minutes ago. I knew I had to shoot a video of it. You got one electric step for your entry. This coach has just over 37,000 miles, just over 260 hours on the generator. Your first slide's right here, all the way down for the kitchen and the jackknife sofa. Your second slide is right across the way. There to there, has your U-shaped dinette, fridge, and pantry in it. You have sleeping capabilities for up to 6 technically on paper, solid surface countertops, convection microwave, full motion mounted TV, give you whatever angle you want. It's a double AC, double fantastic fan, dual thermostat, split bathroom. Actually, pretty good sized bathroom too. Across from that is your toilet. Raised pedestal toilet, same solid surface countertops throughout. Another fantastic fan. Queen bed in the back, storage down below, storage under the bed, couple wardrobes, big wardrobe, more drawers. Tons of storage in a 33 foot coach, and check this out. If we go the right way, optional Panasonic drop down TV. Very, very cool. The selling price of this RV is $89,995. If you have any interest in buying it, I'll put all my contact info on the screen, or if you just have any questions in general, I'd love to help out. Thank you so much for viewing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Leave any comments you have down in the comment section. Have a great day.